Voiceover. Welcome, future mariners and curious minds, to Horizon Maritime Academy, our mission to navigate the mysteries of the ocean and the secrets of the skies. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of one of nature's most powerful and awe-inspiring phenomena: tropical storms and hurricanes. As prospective officers, it's crucial to understand these mighty forces, their origins and their impacts. They are more than just weather events. They are complex systems that test our knowledge, skills, and resilience. From the birth of a tropical cyclone to the transformation into a hurricane, we will explore the intricate dance between the ocean, the atmosphere, and the temperature. Buckle up as we dive into understanding these atmospheric titans and learn how to navigate safely through the storm. Have you ever wondered what makes a tropical storm transform into a hurricane? The answer lies in the intricate dance between the ocean, atmosphere, and temperature. Tropical storms and hurricanes are essentially brothers from the same family, born of the same atmospheric conditions. They are both types of tropical cyclones, a generic term used to describe a rotating, organized system of clouds and thunderstorms that originates over tropical or subtropical waters. The birth of a tropical cyclone begins with a disturbance in the atmosphere that causes a series of thunderstorms. This disturbance can be triggered by a variety of factors, such as a wave of low pressure moving across the ocean or the convergence of warm and cold air masses. Once this disturbance is in place, the stage is set for the formation of a tropical cyclone. The warm, moist air over the ocean surface begins to rise, creating a low-pressure area beneath it. This causes cooler, drier air to rush in, which then also becomes warm and moist as it absorbs heat and moisture from the ocean. As this cycle continues, the air pressure continues to drop and the wind speeds increase. Now here's where the magic happens. If the wind speeds remain less than 39 miles per hour, the system is classified as a tropical depression. However, if the winds reach between 39 to 73 miles per hour, the system is upgraded to a tropical storm. And finally, if the winds exceed 74 miles per hour, congratulations, you have a hurricane. The difference between a tropical storm and a hurricane lies in the speed of the winds. They both have the same parentage, the same birth process, but it's the strength of the winds that determine whether a system is a tropical storm or a hurricane. Now, you might be wondering why the direction of the wind is always counterclockwise in these storms. This is due to a phenomenon known as the Coriolis Effect. The rotation of the Earth causes moving air and water to appear to turn to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. This effect is responsible for the rotational direction of tropical storms and hurricanes. Voiceover. Now that we've got the basics of the Coriolis Effect down, let's delve a little deeper and explore something called Ballot law. This law states that in the northern hemisphere, if you stand with your back to the wind, the low-pressure area will be on your left. In the southern hemisphere, it's the opposite. If you stand with your back to the wind, the low-pressure area will be on your right. Now let's illustrate this with a simple diagram. Picture yourself standing on a beach with the wind blowing on your back. If we're in the northern hemisphere, the low-pressure system, or the heart of the storm, is to your left. In the southern hemisphere, it's on your right. Understanding this law is crucial in predicting the direction of wind around a low-pressure area. This is especially significant in understanding and predicting the movement of tropical storms and hurricanes. It's another tool in our meteorological toolbox that helps us forecast the movement of these mighty storms. With Ballot law under our belts, we're better equipped to predict and navigate the stormy seas. Remember, the more we understand about these powerful forces of nature, the safer we can be. So stay tuned as we dive into the world of tropical storms and hurricanes in our next segment. To summarize, tropical storms and hurricanes are born from disturbances in the atmosphere over warm ocean waters. The warm, moist air rises, creating a cycle of lowering pressure and increasing wind speeds. When the wind speeds reach a certain threshold, the system is classified as a tropical storm or a hurricane. The direction of the wind rotation in these storms is due to the Coriolis Effect. It's fascinating to understand the science behind these powerful weather phenomena. But remember, despite their beauty from afar, these storms can be disastrous up close. So always respect their power and keep a safe distance when navigating the oceans. After all, knowledge is power, and power is safety. Thanks for listening, and stay safe out there. As we move forward in our understanding of hurricanes, it's crucial to discuss how we can avoid them. Now let's take a look at this diagram. Here we can see the suggested routes to take when a hurricane is approaching. The idea is to move away from the path of the hurricane towards areas with less severe weather conditions. This diagram is based on years of meteorological data and is a key tool in ensuring your safety. However, it's crucial to remember that hurricanes can be unpredictable, so these routes should be seen as a guideline rather than a guarantee. The importance of monitoring weather updates cannot be overstressed. Always stay informed about the latest forecasts and warnings from reliable sources. Having a contingency plan is equally important. This plan should include securing your property, preparing an emergency kit, and knowing your evacuation routes. Finally, remember, your safety is paramount. Always prioritize avoiding these dangerous storms over anything else. It's not just about understanding the science behind these phenomena, but also about taking the necessary steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. Stay safe out there.